Alright, welcome to day one of me trying to get back my apartment in place. And today, really, what I will be doing is got lots of photo frames here with me. I have been collecting these for like months because I want to fill up my gallery wall. And yeah, been taking so much space in my apartment, and I figured it's probably best for me to just start putting them up and make some space, right? Have a lot of them, and I don't think I even have like enough space on this wall to fit all of them, but I might just use the rest in my bathroom, and some will go in my bedroom. Whatever did not go up, probably gonna get rid of them. But yeah, this is what it's like right now. Got some photo frames on there, pretty basic, but yeah, let's fill it up. We're gonna start with none other but this. I think we got the first one up. This thing came out so well, man. I love it, and it's nice to see that all the cool photos I've been picking up for the past couple months finally get to be on display. And to be honest, most of these prints like super cheap. A lot of them I picked up from Goodwill, and I just go to Goodwill regularly, and when I see like a nice photo frame, I just grab it. Just seeing like different type of art pieces, whether it's like nice streets photography or plants, the pink flower, or the dog right here, the husky. That's probably one of my favorite ones actually. And just like the different type of frames, like all the photos on here, like yeah, this is definitely a true work of art, man. I'm excited. I like it, and I feel like these type of stuff actually kind of like describes like someone without them having to say much, especially like if you have like people coming to your apartment, right? They can see your wall and know exactly like what type of things you about, or like how you think, or the type of person you are. Yeah, let me give you all a quick rundown of some of the frames on my wall. This is a vinyl record photo frame. I like this one because I can get to display some of my cool vinyl records,
and this is a black and white photo of New York City. I think this is probably my oldest photo frame. I've actually had this since I was back in Greenbelt, which is about over 6 years ago. But yeah, it's still standing strong. I like it because it's a print on wood. That one up there is just nice contrasted photo with like the yellow shed down there. I like it, and it almost feels like the nice homes at the top and the not so ones at the bottoms. This one is my new favorite one. I just came from a trip in Brazil, and yeah, took a photo at the Celeron and had it printed on the tile. Photo up there, it's like a racing car. That one I picked up from a lady that sold me my Serif TV in my bedroom. She was also selling that, and yeah, I just grabbed it. I think she probably gave me that for free actually. The photo below, this is what's a bridge in San Francisco. Again, nice moody picture, but you can kind of see the bridge. This necklace I got in Hawaii a couple of years ago when I went there. I will leave a link to that vlog, so if you want to see like the back story of how I got this. But the reason why I put it is pretty much like there was like huge space in here between these frames, and yeah, I didn't like how it looks, so I thought yeah, I got the perfect stuff to fill in that gap, and this is it. Actually, the other reason why I also love this wall, it's kind of like a nice contrast between like, it's like strictly art. It's not just photo frame, right? Like I got vinyl record over there. I got souvenirs that I picked up when I'm traveling, so it's kind of like sentimental to me. And I got like this shelf over here that just display like old tech stuff, gadgets, Game Boy and all that. But yeah, this is my gallery wall, and let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Would you do one like this, or is it a terrible idea? Maybe I should have left it just plain and simple as it was before, but I love this. I almost forgot about the centerpiece, which is the frame TV. This is from Samsung, and it's really the reason why I have a whole gallery wall, because it started with the TV. But luckily I've already done a whole review on this TV, so if you want to check it out, I'll leave a link for this in the description below. But yeah, thanks again for sticking to the end of this. I hope you find value in this vlog, and if you did, please consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. Let me know your thoughts below about this new setup, but I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.